Welcome to Design with Me. My name is Dawn, and today we're going to do two pieces that are going to coordinate. So if you've been watching my Design with Me's recently, I've been doing a lot of fall centerpieces. I normally use bigger pumpkins, but today we're going to use smaller pumpkins, we're going to use gourds and pine cones, and let's see what we can put together. I want to make two pieces that coordinate together. That way if somebody wanted to purchase both of them, one for their table and maybe one for their island or another area that they want to put a coordinating piece, then they'll have the option. So this is going to come together really quickly, so grab something to drink and I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy more DIY centerpieces, I do a ton of that over on my Instagram page, so I'd love to have you join me over there. It's Dawn Renee's Designs, and I have the link in the description box below. Okay, these two pieces came together quickly. Thank you so much for being with me today. I would appreciate it if you would like and comment and subscribe. It just helps my little channel grow. Thanks so much.